Welcome. If you want to stay up to date and never miss a comment on your Pinterest published pins, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on push notifications for comments on your Pinterest pins, so you can engage with your audience faster and keep your content thriving. First, make sure you have the Pinterest app installed and that you're logged into your account. Once you're ready, let's get started. Begin by opening the Pinterest app on your device. Take a moment to let it load, and then head straight to your profile. To do this, tap on your profile picture, which you'll find at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space where all your boards and pins are stored. Next, look for the Settings menu. Tap on the gear icon or the three dots depending on your device to access your account settings. Here, you'll see a range of options, but what you're looking for is the Notifications section. Go ahead and tap on Notification to open your notification settings. Within the Notifications menu, scroll until you see the section labeled Pins you published. Under this section, you'll find an option called Comments. Tap on Comments to manage how you receive notifications about new comments on your published pins. Now you'll see a setting that says, How do you want to be notified? This is where you can choose your preferred notification method. To receive instant alerts on your device, simply toggle on the switch next to Push. Once this is enabled, you'll get a push notification every time someone comments on one of your published pins. And that's it. You've successfully set up push notifications for comments on your Pinterest pins. Now you'll never miss a chance to connect with your audience or reply to feedback right away. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Pinterest tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!